When it comes to replacing ball joints, you know how it is. You practically need an entire toolbox full of tools to service all of the different vehicle configurations out there. Snap-on has a better way. The BJP1 Ball Joint Press Master Kit. This revolutionary starter kit includes everything you need to perform the majority of domestic and foreign ball joint applications. The Snap-on BJP1 covers more applications with fewer adapters and pieces than any other set. To prove it, we headed out to a salvage yard. This 1994 Jeep Grand Cherokee was no problem, nor was this 2005 Chevy Trailblazer. The BJP1 even made easy work of this 1999 Mercury Grand Marquis. How can this small number of adapters fit such a wide variety of vehicles? Snap-on ingenuity. For example, when an adapter isn't deep enough, you could have a problem. The competition requires you to buy additional, deeper adapters. Then you have to search through twice as many adapters to find the right one. Snap-on has a better idea. Simply snap an extension on the end of the adapter, and this one extension fits every adapter in the set. Any adapter can be retained on either side of the C-frame. That means you can clamp on this way, or if parts of the vehicle chassis are in the way, you can flip the C-frame 180 degrees and attach like this. The adapters have the industry's widest through-hole diameters to more readily accept ball joint studs and universal joints. And a built-in retaining ring allows you to lock the adapters and C-frame together. One click, and you've created a one-piece tool. No more loose pieces to slow you down. The C-frame looks pretty typical, but the details make all the difference. It has a wider throat to fit a wider variety of jobs, and the vise mount area allows you to clamp the C-frame securely in place. Here's another major difference. Every part of the BJP1 set is fabricated from high-strength alloy steel and heat-treated to provide extreme toughness. Many of the competitors' adapters are made from lower-strength, soft steel tubing that wears quickly. Coarse threads on the outside of the pressure screw and a hardened steel ball bearing on the inside reduce metal-to-metal friction. This exerts more force where you need it, on the most stubborn ball joints. Now, back to the junkyard. The ball joints on a Dodge Durango are notoriously hard to break, so we put the competition to the test. As you can see, their C-frame is bending. That slight compromising angle is enough to pinch the ball joint in the control arm. The competition will never break this ball joint free. The BJP1's frame doesn't flex, so this ball joint slides right out thanks to Snap-on's superior alloy steel.
One of the key benefits I like about it is the clips that actually hold the tools in place, because then it frees up your hands to actually center the tool onto the ball joint and onto the spindle or axle or whatever to use it properly. If you were to compare it to a difference, you could see that the thickness and just the overall make of it is far superior to any other ones. Now that I own one, I wish I would have bought one years ago, because it would have just saved so much hassle. A lot of times, like if you have to hold adapters, you know, like you have two of them, one on top, one on the bottom, you have to hold them, and you're trying to hold them to install it or take it out, you really need 3-4 hands, so you have to go get somebody else. You know, like with this tool, you can be working alone, and you don't have to worry about none of that, because all the adapters clip into place. It's a lot stronger, so it works better. It's able to center the pressure where it's needed, so you actually end up saving time. I mean, as we all know, time is money. And you don't have to worry about it flexing or breaking or stripping out the threads, because you do get what you pay for. It'll save busted knuckles and a lot of aggravation.
The relief hole on the pressure pad is a real time saver. It fits right over the straight grease fittings on some ball joints. No more struggling to remove or break off the fitting when you're in a time crunch. The C-frame's handy grease fitting keeps the tool lubricated and the threads clear of debris. Flexible, tough, and easy to use. The BJP1 Ball Joint Press Master Kit from Snap-on.